Now we introduce the process of replacing our main board. Here is the main board of the machine. You can see there are 6 screws under the main board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the 6 screws of the circuit board. Take off the cover of the circuit board, and now you can see this is the circuit board of the machine. We advise our customers to take a picture of the board to remember the positions of the wires of the circuit board. Now unplug all the wires on the circuit board. Remember to do it very carefully. For this wire, don't pull it hard. There is a lock. Please use a special tool to unlock the wire. Here is how it goes. All the screws on the circuit board. Now install the new circuit board to its original position. Please remember to do it carefully. Plug all the wires into it according to its original position. Now cover the main board and screw the main board to its original position.